Hi everyone! Today let's go over some important tips for setting up your canvas and design size on the D2. Once your printer is connected, you can start by setting up your canvas size. The maximum width is 12.99 inches, which matches the printer's max print width of 13 inches. As for the length, there's no limit, so you are good there. After uploading your design, you can resize it freely, but make sure the width stays within 12.99 inches. Then click Make. On this page, your canvas size will carry over, and you can still tweak it here if needed. Now there's one more setting you really want to pay attention to: X margin. The good news is the value is already set at the factory. For most users, you don't need to change anything, just stick with the default settings. That's it! For example, if the X margin is set to 15 mm, the print head will start printing 15 mm away from the right edge. This means your maximum printable width becomes 13 inches minus 15 mm, which is about 315 mm. Because of that, even if your design is under 13 inches, you might still see a warning that is out of bounds. If that happens, just scale your design down a little bit, and you will be good to go. So here's the key takeaway. The larger your X margin, the smaller your printable area. One more thing to keep in mind: your design position is also affected by the X margin. When the X margin matches the position of the film scale, your design will print exactly where it appears on the canvas. If the X margin is set larger than the actual position, the design may shift to the left. If it's set smaller, the design may shift to the right. If the offset is too big, your design might get cut off, or even worse, ink could end up printing inside the machine. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out anytime.